Good evening of you. I shall teach you some idioms and phrases. You should memorize some phrases daily, not more and more, but you should memorize 10 sentences daily. Okay, so here first your act against. Act means what? Work. Against के विरुद्ध कार्य करना. तो कार्य करना, to make a sentence, be simple, be easy. So here act against. I never act against the wishes of my father. He is acting the wishes of his father. He will act the wishes of his father. In any sentence, but sentence would be correct or sentence should be simple. You should care for it. Next here, act on. असर डालना. असर डालना. Heat acts on metals. Heat acts on iron, gold, silver, any metal you can say. Here acts on metals, acting on metals. Heat is acting on metals. Heat will act on metals. Any kind of tense you can do it. It depends on your capacity, ability, power. Then no problem to do it. Bear away. Bear away means win, jitna. He bore away the first prize yesterday. He is bearing with bearing away here. He is bearing away the first prize. He is bearing, he will bear away second prize. This way here, bear means win. Any type of sentence, it can be done by you. No problem to do it. When you will know how to make a sentence, then you will like to make a sentence. But you should do, your sentence should be simple. Sentence should be simple. Then it will be nice. It will be beautiful. Okay. Then here, break down. Break down means खराब होना, out of order. My health has breakdown. My health has breakdown. My health is breaking down. My health was breaking down. This way you can do. खराब हो रहा है, खराब हो गया, खराब हो जाएगा. My health will break down due to smoking, due to drinking. Drinking you know, drinking आप जानते हैं. Drinking what? Not take water. Drink means take wine. Okay. Say here, break bear with. Bear with. Bear with means जीतना. Win. सहना. Bear with सहना. I cannot bear with such an insult. मैं ऐसे अपमान को नहीं सह सकता हूँ. He is bearing with such an insult. वह इस अपमान को नहीं सह रहा है. He will not bear with such an insult. ऐसे अपमान को वह नहीं सहेगा. तो here I tell you how to make a sentence. Be simple. You should be habituated. आपको अभ्यस्त होना चाहिए. You should be habituated मैंने आपको अभ्यस्त होना चाहिए. Your habit, not bad habit, good habit, to do it well, nicely. Break out. Break out means अचानक फूट पड़ना. एनी टाइप ऑफ डिजीज. कल रहा है broken out in that village due to dirty, due to pollution, any disease will break out. So this में किसी तरह की बीमारी अगर है, पॉल्यूशन है, एयर पॉल्यूशन, any type of disease may be possible or spreading also. Okay, so break out, अचानक फूट पड़ना, cholera has broken out, malaria has broken out, any type of disease can break out. Okay, then here break up means खत्म होना, finish, off. Our school breaks up at 4 p.m. In the morning, our school will break up at 6 a.m. Our school is going to break out. Our school is going to break out means our school will break out. At which time? At 4 o'clock, at 4 p.m. In the morning, in 6 p.m. This is the sentence. Bring about means Lana. Lana, Mahatma Gandhi brought many reforms in our society. महात्मा गांधी बहुत सारे रिफॉर्म्स सुधार किए इन आवर सोसाइटी, हमारे समाज में. He was a great man. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of the nation. So many brought about in our society. Here line, bring forth. Here ninth, bring forth. Bring forth means पैदा करना. The cow has brought forth a calf. That lady brought forth a newly baby. एक महिला एक नए शिशु का जन्म दी. गाय जो है, the cow has brought forth a calf. गाय एक बछड़े का जन्म दी है. दिस वे हियर ब्रिंग अप. ब्रिंग अप मीन्स पालन पोषण करना. ब्रिंग अप लिख लीजिए, BRING, ब्रिंग अप. ब्रिंग अप मीन्स पालन पोषण करना. द चाइल्ड वाज ब्रॉट अप by his uncle. This is the phrase, this is your idiom of phrases. You should maintain your diary, you should maintain your routine. I have to memorize 10 phrases daily, not 10 phrases, 5 phrases daily, not 5, 2 or 3 phrases daily, but you should maintain your routine. You should take an oath. I have to memorize some idioms and phrases. Then your vocab will be strong. Your sentence should be beautiful. Any sentence, make a sentence. I use your phrase. Then your sentence will be nice. So you should not forget it. Or one topic, one article I have to say. What is, I told you phrase, idioms and phrases. You can ask me what is phrase. A phrase is a group of words which makes sense but not complete sense. Phrase एक ऐसा शब्दों का समूह है जो भाव तो देता है लेकिन वह भाव पूरा नहीं होता है. इसीलिए हम लोग कहते हैं कि ए फ्रेज इज ए ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स विच मेक सेंस. मेक सेंस मीन्स भाव देता है बट नॉट कंप्लीट सेंस, वह भाव पूरा नहीं होता है. एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी, देख सकते हैं. लेट अस टू सी, लेट अस टू अंडरस्टैंड. आइए हम लोग समझें. ऑन द रोड, ऑन द रोड सड़क पर. इट गिव सेंस, सेंस तो देता है but it is not complete sense. Who is on the road? I am on the road. the bus is running on the road, the truck is running on the road. At home, घर पर, sense gives sense but not complete sense. Why? I am at home, your sense is complete. He is at home, we are at home. Some students are at home, at school, at home, this way here. So this is the examples of your phrases. So this type your phrase here, act against two words here, or two group of words here. It sense के विरुद्ध है, but not complete sense. But here make a sentence that your sentence is complete. You will satisfy. I will also satisfy. Everybody will satisfy when you will do it correctly then. So you will like it, subscribe and share. You will not forget ever. This is my well suggestion for you as you like.